My dear brothers and sisters, today we're going to be celebrating the beginning of summer with a very special ice cream. Imagine a blueberry peach avocado ice cream. Just imagine. And we're going to be starting off with our usual almond milk base. We've made almond milk so many times in this video. The trouble is it's too easy. And here we start off with spring water, of course. We prefer Mountain View. And then a cup of spring water. And then a heaping tablespoon of our Living Tree Alive Organic Almond Butter, made from almonds grown by a California farming family of 5 generations on the land. They have only 70,000 almond trees and produce over 1 million pounds of almonds every year. Wonderful people, a privilege to work with him. And we're going to give this a blend up. And there you have it. It is flashed into almond milk, so much better than you can find in any store. You've created it yourself in the privacy of your kitchen. And now the almond milk is going to serve as our base. And to that we're going to be adding a couple tablespoons of chia seeds. Chia seeds are wonderful thickeners. They thicken everything. Please don't hesitate to add chia seeds to your salad dressings, to just sprinkle onto casseroles, sprinkle onto your smoothies and your summertime desserts. By all means, chia seeds are just wonderful. The Native Americans in this part of the world, when they were running across the desert, they didn't walk, they ran. They would always take a handful of chia seeds with them. It would sustain them over long distances. So now we have our almond milk base, and to this we are going to be adding our bananas. These are organic bananas, but of course, and we're going to we'll add them. Here we go. Okay. So we have almond milk, bananas, we give that a whirl, and then the next thing, you've guessed it, are our blueberries. Blueberries, of course, grow on the East Coast where the soils are acidic, which they prefer. But here, through the miracle of California agriculture, it's become a significant organic crop here. Our blueberries. Let's give it a whirl. And now for our California peaches. grown in the Great Central Valley. It used to be an inland sea. The soil is wondrously fertile there. So here we go with peaches. Let's slice up another. The gorgeous, gorgeous rosy red color. And I assure you that they taste as good as they look. Huh? And now our avocado. This imparts a wonderful smoothness and simply makes the ice cream ecstatic. So, avocado. How wondrous is this world? Who has ever heard before of a blueberry peach avocado ice cream? It is a wonderful creative world. And let's give that a whirl. Oh. And now the fun part. We're going to be adding some of our alive organic almond butter for ecstasy, to give it a wonderful nutrient base and for delight. So here we go, a tablespoon of our almond butter. Why not a second tablespoon, please? Okay. And now to this, we're going to be adding our Hawaiian honey. Gives a remarkable flavoring and feeling of aliveness to just about everything. Our Living Tree Vermont maple syrup, tablespoon of that. Living Tree vanilla powder, teaspoon of that. And now, for delight, cinnamon powder, and finally, our Royal Himalayan pink crystal salt to elicit the flavors. Let's give this a whirl. So here we go. Our creation, blueberry peach avocado ice cream to welcome in these summer days. The final step my dear brothers and sisters, is to put it in your refrigerator for at least 2 or 3 hours. And there you have it. Blueberry peach avocado ice cream. Imagine serving this to family, friends, and kids everywhere. Your comments are invaluable to us. Please subscribe. Please write your comments down below. We want to hear from you so very much indeed. Let us go forward and let us emphasize vivacity, especially in times such as these. My privilege to share with you, my dear brothers and sisters.